I really thank you people for being part and parcel of the KDR TV News International, and especially those people who live in the US, and to bring it home closer, those who live in Minneapolis or the Twin Cities. We appreciate your support and the contribution you actually make to the African immigrant community. And today we really want passionately to talk about some of the organizations who are out here to help the African immigrant community not only integrate in the new American society, but who are trying their level best to ensure that the HIV and AIDS pandemic is contained, not only in offering information, but also ensuring that this information, when it actually goes out there, it reaches the masses through their networks. So the first group I would like to highlight is the Sub-Saharan Youth and African Organization, which is really helping so many people who are living with HIV/AIDS, or who are having their relatives infected or affected by HIV/AIDS. These guys are really wonderful. Let me read the exact the way they are called. It's called Sub-Saharan Africa Youth and Family Services in Minnesota. These guys are really terrific. They've done a wonderful job. So the best option for you, if you're living with HIV/AIDS, is you can contact. Their office is located at, let me get the real information. Let me get the exact information where they live. I mean, not where they live, but where their office is located. Yep. Where are you guys? Let me give you their number. It's easier. 651-644-3983. I repeat again. 651-644-3983. If you can call this number, they can really guide you. They can also give you their address so that you can go and visit them or get more information about HIV and AIDS. So they have got very nice information. They have got data. They have got facts on how to prevent HIV/AIDS. They also can send you messages. They can also give you specific information or advise you on the best medical practices out here. They can basically tell you, okay, if you go to this particular organization, like health facilities, they can also help you because they are working very closely with the Minnesota Department of Health to ensure that the African immigrants are really helped to contain or to prevent the spread of HIV and AIDS. That is exactly what we can really give you. And again, I repeat, the number is 651-644-3983. That is a wonderful organization. And there are other affiliate organizations also working closely with the Sub-Saharan African Youth and Family Services in Minnesota. They also have gone deeper. They have gone out there to work with the church, to work with the mosques, to ensure that our youths or our people are really informed on how to prevent or how to treat HIV and AIDS. This is a pandemic, but we are trying our level best actually to work with every individual out there to ensure that this pandemic is actually contained. So if you contact the Sub-Saharan African Youth and Family Services in Minnesota, they really give you very specific information on how to prevent HIV and AIDS. So they are out there to help us contain these particular diseases. Even our churches, the African immigrant churches, have really coordinated and really working with them to ensure that the masses are given this information, which prevents the HIV and AIDS virus in the society. Because when we prevent it, we have actually prevented our people from contracting this deadly disease. But even if you have actually contracted this particular disease, the best option is for you to come forward so that you can be treated. You can be given medications which can elongate your life. There are people who lived with this particular disease for over 40 years. Yeah, I was speaking with one, let me not call her survivor, but I was really speaking with one of the person, she's HIV positive, was lived for over 46 years from the time she contracted this disease. This is somebody who is over 70 years right now. So this disease can be contained. This disease can be prevented. So the best option for you is to be out here. Come out, get tested, know your status, and that's the very best information you can do for yourself. And may God continue blessing you, guys, so that we can continue highlighting this information to the masses so that everybody can come on board and the African immigrant community, especially who are living in the US, can contain this deadly disease called HIV and AIDS. Thank you.